There are a lot of really great non-technical peaks out there, like some of the 14ers or the South Teton in Grand Teton National Park, or even Mount Whitney. And knowing what to have in your pack for peaks like that is really important. You want to have what you need, but not too much so that you can't carry it. The most important thing you need in your pack actually doesn't go in your pack. It's having a plan. What are you gonna do for the day? What time are you gonna leave? What time are you coming back? Who are you gonna call if something goes wrong? Who's gonna call for help when you don't come back at the time you think you're gonna be back? So having a plan is the most essential thing that you're gonna start out with. Next on the list for what goes in your pack is weather protection. Having proper clothing in the mountains is really important. Layers that protect you from the wind and the rain, as well as perhaps some insulation, is essential to have in your pack. So the other essential is food and water. Do you have enough for your plan for the day, and perhaps a little bit extra for when things don't go how you planned? Other essential equipment is two-way communication device. You need to be able to call out, and people need to be able to call in. So when you're packing your pack, you can ask yourself, is this a necessity or is this a nicety? You want to have the necessities in your pack. Everything else is just going to add weight. So try and keep it to the necessities and keep your pack light so you can accomplish your goals.